I think the primary reason why everyone is talking about Nebius Group is because of the company's phenomenal revenue growth, exceeding over 600% in its most recently completed quarter. Of course, that has investors excited, and I'm going to share with you the details of how the company was able to achieve these results and what it could mean for Nebius stock investors, but also AI stock investors overall. Let's jump into the evaluation of this exciting company. All right. The management team saying that AI will fundamentally transform our world, and Nebius is well positioned to make that happen. And we're already seeing the early success of artificial intelligence. You're seeing the development of large language models like ChatGPT and how it's changing consumer behavior, how it's improving productivity, how it's helping some businesses and hurting other businesses, right? Chegg, the education technology company, has been crushed by ChatGPT. So it's not been all positive, and I'm sure you can think of many other examples where artificial intelligence has hurt some companies, but overall, artificial intelligence is boosting the productivity of employees and individuals, and that makes us able to produce more with our working hours, and that's positive. And so far, we've only seen really the digital side of artificial intelligence, and we're only scratching the surface of physical artificial intelligence. These are things like robotics and driverless car technology, which is enhanced with the capabilities developed by artificial intelligence. As I talked about, the company's revenue in its most recently completed quarter increased by 625% to 105 million. This might be the largest revenue growth increase of all of the companies I'm following in the most recently completed quarter. This was up over 106% just from the previous quarter. The company saying that their AI cloud infrastructure revenue increased by more than 9x year over year, driven by strong customer demand for their copper GPUs and near peak utilization for their platform. The management team went on to say that they see very strong momentum in our business and demand for AI compute remains exceptionally high. And these are the kinds of adjectives I've heard from many management teams describing demand for artificial intelligence. These include management teams from much larger companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, Alphabet, Amazon, and Oracle.
Click the link below to watch the full video.